Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we've been asked for quite a while now, hey, are you ever going to come out of the ladder for the Land Cruiser? So we've decided to come out of the ladder for the Land Cruiser. The ladder is now finished and we want to share it with you and what makes it so unique and different than any other ladder that's out there. Just not a lot of companies out there that actually make a ladder for the Land Cruiser, and that's because of the clamshell designed rear hatch on these. And I'm going to explain to you why it had to be done this way, but it works. And when you look at this ladder the way it is, it's kind of like an optical illusion. You look at it and say, well, this is a clamshell. This ladder is a one-piece ladder. How are you able to take this one-piece ladder and make it work with this rear door? But the only way that we felt that could work, and I'm going to explain why we felt this was the only way it would work, is because the way to design the lower door on this. We cut all this out. This is our new design. We've done this for a couple reasons, to really put a lot of style into this ladder. And this is actually a stepped window here, so they're not both the exact same, so there's got a step in it here. The other reason was to reduce a bunch of weight on this, to minimize the amount of load on the rear struts on this, on the truck. So really clean looking, just a really fresh design on this. We fastened it on the top like our 4Runner does around the top front edge, and then on the bottom down here where the top of the door closes, we actually attached the step to the bottom of the door here on the back side of this. And you can see here it opens as a complete ladder. We rounded all the corners on this on both sides, and then we run a rubber stop here at the bottom so it runs up against the bottom of the door here. And then the bracket actually attaches here to the step, and it's hidden underneath here so you don't even see it. And then when it comes down here on the bottom, it rests right along the seam down here at the bottom where the most strength in the bottom part of the door is. So we're able to maximize the strength on the bottom here. The reason why it had to be done like this is because this bottom door here, if you see when it's down, there is no room underneath the door from the bumper to clear, to have that clear it. There is maybe less than an inch there. So with that being said, we knew that we had to design something that was going to work on the hatch and not interfere with the bottom door. So it's nice. We have this here. We close this down here. It uses factory holes here that are actually the rubber nubber that's underneath here. It actually uses those holes to fasten the bracket to. And then when you look at it here, it does look like it's fastened at the bottom, but really that's just a rubber stop. The styling of this ladder is amazing. We used our 2-inch flat steps to maximize the surface area on the bottom of your foot. And then we've got the 1-inch thick steps here. And then you have all the channels in them. That's nice. And you can integrate other things into those steps if you wanted to hang something from that ladder as well. And then there again, it's got our really nice badging down here and our bottle openers here on the inside. Really stylish on this. And we're really happy the way it came out. Anybody that's out there that has a Land Cruiser, we think this would just be a nice little piece to add to your whole build. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do like our stuff, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you. Please feel free to comment as well.